everyone. Welcome back to Study Adda. Do you find it time-taking to check and do correct referencing formats? Do you find it difficult to cope with minute differences in APA 7 or APA 6? Do you find it challenging to check each punctuation and the way of indexing or referencing format for different types of Harvard, Chicago, MLA, Kaplan and so many other styles? Manual editing of references is indeed time-consuming and highly error-prone. Today we have an exciting tutorial lined up for you as we delve into the world of efficient referencing and in-text citation using Zotero. I won't say Zotero is the only one. There are many other software like Mendeley, EndNote, but each one of them have premium version and most of the features are restricted for premium version. Whereas in Zotero Premium, you get more storage space, but other features are available in free version. Whether you are a student, researcher or a teacher, Zotero is a powerful tool that can revolutionize the way you manage your references. Stick around as we guide you through the process step by step in this comprehensive tutorial. If you are new to Zotero, this section will give you a solid foundation to build upon. Now that we know what Zotero is, let us get it installed. I will guide you through the installation process, including how to integrate Zotero seamlessly with your web browser. This is a crucial step to make most out of Zotero's capabilities, especially when you are browsing through online articles and resources. Let us start with very basics of installing and using Zotero for common styles of references. This video will also help you to understand how to synchronize your library to Zotero account, ways of adding references, web pages, journals, videos and other sources in Zotero library and cite the references in your research paper. The first part is to download and install Zotero. Search Zotero in Google, click on the Zotero link as shown in the slides. Download as per your system and install. It will automatically detect your operating system. In my case, it was Windows, so I will download Windows version. You can also download Zotero for other platforms like Mac. Next, proceed with installation using the default settings. Also add extension as per your web browser. Web Connector helps in easily add research articles to Zotero library. Now you can see Zotero is installed. You will also notice a Zotero connector icon in your web browser, which allows you to add research papers directly from journals' websites to your Zotero library. Open Microsoft Word and you will see a new Zotero plugin indicating Zotero is now linked with MS Word. It is very important to sync your literature or research articles to the Zotero server. This allows you to access your articles on different computers and ensures you have a backup on the server. To do this, create a free Zotero account and set a username and password for synchronizing your literature, data or files. You can use academic as well as non-academic email ID to create your Zotero account. Once you register, you will receive a registration link in the mail. Copy that link into the web browser, activate your Zotero account. You can see that the account is now validated. Go back to Zotero application, enter the username and password you just created, click on Setup Syncing to synchronize your Zotero library from your local computer to the Zotero server. Now adding of literature. One way of adding literature and other sources is adding the research paper using an identifier. The identifier could be a PubMed ID, DOI number or any other supported ID, but I personally recommend using DOI number. To add a particular paper from journal's website, just copy the DOI, paste it into the identifier option in Zotero application. When you hit enter, you will automatically collect all information linked with that identifier. Red marked portion is the identifier where you can give DOI link. In this paper, I have highlighted what is DOI link. Paste the DOI link in this identifier column. Paper details with author, date, rest of the necessary details are saved in your library. But what if you don't find a DOI? Or what if it's a web source? The second method is to add sources to your Zotero library by importing them directly from websites or by manually entering the details. Zotero can import references from hundreds of databases and publisher sites. It is easier way that uses Zotero connector I mentioned earlier. Go to the official page of the article or the web page, click on Save to Zotero. On clicking Add to Zotero, you will see the pop-up like this comes indicating that paper is saved to the library. After a few seconds, click Done and you will see the paper has been added to Zotero library. I will repeat the same process for web articles also, just clicking on Save on Zotero and the source will be added to my Zotero library. Now, you can choose specific folders within Zotero library for better organization. Organize your references into folders within Zotero to keep them sorted by topic, course or project. You can create unlimited folders and subfolders. Click on New Collection as shown. Give the project your convention of your choice and click OK. In this you can see I have created several new folders as per as my requirements of the projects. Citing articles in Word document and adding the bibliography, the most important part. When writing a paper, open Microsoft Word, install Zotero connector add-on. This integrates Zotero directly into the Word. Open Word document in which you want to cite papers. Add citations, go to Zotero tab, click on Add or Edit Citations. You can search by author name or keyword to find relevant papers from your Zotero library you just created. Choose the desired citations. To add bibliography or reference links, click on Add or Edit Bibliography. You can add or remove citations using Add or Edit Citation options and the changes in the bibliography will be made automatically. Now let's quickly see how to format the citation references based on your journal type. Go to Document Preferences, then Manage Styles, click on Get Additional Styles. Search for journal name, click OK, go back to Document Preferences. You will see the journal name you just added. Select it and click OK. The citations and references will automatically be formatted according to the journal style. Zotero will automatically update your citations and bibliography as you add or remove sources. You can edit individual citations whenever needed. Now summarizing the entire process. To efficiently manage and cite literature using Zotero, the following steps should be done. Organizing your library and literature. Create specific folders within Zotero for better organization by topic name, course or project. Name the folder as per your desired option and click OK to create. See, a new folder has been created. Now adding of literature. Using identifiers. Add research paper by entering an identifier such as a PubMed ID, DOI number or other supported Zotero ID. Zotero will automatically retrieve the information. But what if there is no identifier? What if there is no DOI? If a DOI is not available for a web source, use Zotero connected to import references directly from website. Navigate to the article or web page, click Zotero. Zotero will save the paper in your library. However, at times details like date is not taken, which then should be manually inserted like I did. Now citing in the Word. Open your Word document, set a citation style according to the journal's requirement by navigating to Document Preferences, selecting Manage Style. Here I have chosen Harvard. Zotero will format citations and references automatically based on the selection style. Use Add or Edit Citation option in the Zotero tab to search and insert citations by author name or keyword. Now for adding bibliography. Click on Add or Edit Bibliography option. Zotero will ensure that any changes in the citations are made automatically reflected in the bibliography. You may change the citation style at later stage as I did to APA. You will be seeing that the changes are made automatically. So, as I wrap up this tutorial, you should now feel confident in using Zotero for your referencing and in-text citation needs. Remember, Zotero is a dynamic tool with constant updates, so don't hesitate to explore its additional features and stay updated. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more in-depth tutorials. Do watch the next video for the use of Zotero for Kaplan-Howard referencing and other unique style of referencing style. Thank you for joining us today at Study Adda. Happy researching and happy writing!